If you want to protect your important files and make sure your desktop, documents, and pictures are safely backed up, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in OneDrive. Backing up your folders to OneDrive is one of the easiest ways to keep your files protected, synced, and available across your devices. So whether you're trying to prevent accidental loss, switch to a new PC, or just stay more organized, this quick guide will walk you through the full process step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock area. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon there. This little cloud icon is what lets you manage your OneDrive syncing and backup settings. Click the OneDrive cloud icon to open the OneDrive menu. Once the menu appears, look for the gear icon. This is the settings button, and it gives you access to all the main configuration options for OneDrive. Click the gear icon, then select Settings from the menu. Now OneDrive settings will open. In the settings window, find the section called Sync and Backup. This is where OneDrive keeps all the options for protecting your folders and keeping them synced to the cloud. Click Sync and Backup to continue. Inside the Sync and Backup section, you'll see an option called Manage Backup. Click Manage Backup, and this is where you choose exactly which folders you want OneDrive to back up automatically. Now you'll see the main folders that OneDrive can protect for you. Usually these include desktop, documents, and pictures. Turn on the folders you want to back up. If you want all three protected, switch each one on. If you only want to back up one or two folders, you can choose just the ones you need. This step is really helpful because it means your most important files are automatically saved to OneDrive instead of only staying on your computer. That adds an extra layer of safety in case your device ever stops working, gets lost, or needs to be reset. After selecting your folders, take a moment to review your choices and make sure everything looks right. Once you're ready, click Save Changes or Start Backup, depending on what your version of OneDrive shows. This tells OneDrive to begin uploading and protecting the folders you selected. After that, OneDrive will start the backup process. Depending on how many files you have, this may take a few minutes. If you have a lot of photos or documents, it may take longer, so just let it finish in the background. Once the backup is complete, your files will be synced to your OneDrive account and kept up to date automatically. From this point on, any new files you save in those protected folders will also be backed up to OneDrive. That means you can access them later from another device, restore them if needed, and feel more confident knowing your important data is safe. So that's how to back up files and folders in OneDrive in just a few simple steps. Click the OneDrive icon, open Settings, go to Sync and Backup, manage your backup, choose the folders you want, and start the backup. It's fast, easy, and a great habit for keeping your files secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and share it with anyone who wants to protect their files with OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.